welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're familiar with me and you're familiar with my channel, then you probably know how much I stan Jordyn Woods. I absolutely love her. I think for me, I started standing her when I seen her trip to Nigeria, and I was like, literally, just imagine her doing the shaku shaku and the zanku and the, you know, way body, best. I even did a review on her Boohoo collection. So Jordyn Woods by Easilocks just arrived. Look at this.
Look at this.
Somebody come and look at this.
Somebody come and look at this.
Guys, isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? I'm going to be giving you guys a first impressions of the Jordyn Woods by Easilocks collection. And I'm going to do a little demo of each one for you guys. And you guys can decide in the comments which one is your favorite. And you never know, wink wink, there might just be something in it for you. Each single piece from her collection with Easilocks comes with the how to apply guide on the back of them. So that makes it easy for even beginners to apply. I'm going to start off with the ponytail. So I'm going to pop it open. Can't wait to see how you style your new look. Me too, sis. Be sure to tag at Jordyn Woods and at Easilocks Hair so I can see. Stay beautiful. Lots of love, Jordyn. Mwah, kisses. So here's the ponytail. I got the color Ebony. Ebony and Ivory. It's HD high fiber, so you can use your straighteners and your curlers and all that on it as well, up to 150 degrees. There's so many colors to suit every hair shade, you know, diversity and all of that, you know. I really wanted to have that natural look with my own hair, and guys, can you see the perfect match there? So there's a color for every natural hair color, which equals hashtag diversity. Yeah. I'm gonna brush out from the bottom. This helps detangle any tangles that are in there. But as you guys can see, there's literally like no tangling, no shedding, none of that. And there we have a beautiful ponytail. And one thing I love about this ponytail is that it's a wraparound ponytail. Guys, can you see this? It's a wraparound ponytail and it has a clip for security. It makes it really easy for you because you have the part that you wrap around, you have a security clip, and it's super easy to do. So I'm just gonna throw her on there, literally clip her down, clippity clip, and wrap. You want to hold this separate, guys. Wrap her around. Wrap her around. Wrap her around. So now I'm gonna take my Eco Styler. I'm just gonna pop that open. Gonna tease it because I like my ponytails to be a bit, you know, I'm just gonna tease it and brush it out again. So just give it a bit of volume. Take a bit of hair gel and it just helps sleek everything down together. And there we go, guys. Beautiful. That was super quick and easy, guys. I love it. Easilocks. So this is the first one.
This time around you're asking for more. We ain't gotta move too fast, yo. Let's leave what we have in the past. I'm looking forward to the brand.
I'm gonna jump straight into the fringe. Here we have the fringe, and I'm just going to pop that open, and straight away I can see it comes with 3 clips for security. Can you hear that, guys? If this looks a bit scary, if you want to cut it, if you want to make sure that it suits your face, you can take it to a hairstylist they will style it for you if you don't know what to do, but it's pretty simple. So I'm going to take my Born This Way concealer and I'm just going to apply that to the lace. Let me see. I just placed the concealer on that. And so you have two sides, so you can pick what side of the fringe you want to use. And guys, because of the natural part, can you see how natural this looks? It looks so natural. So you can use you can use this part, which will give you the standard fringe, or you can use this part, which will give you a side fringe. So I think I might go for the side fringe today, guys, because I'm wearing a long pony. I might just go for that nice side fringe. So I'm going to apply it to this side of my head. And I'm just going to clip it down. Can you guys hear the clips? So I'm going to I took my pony off. So now guys, I'm going to take my bobbin and I'm going to tie it up into my pony this time. So guys, can you guys see this? So it's just like a part of my pony. And I'm just going to tie it up. So then it looks like. I'm going to take my GHD. It's getting warm. Quickly create a little side swoop with my GHD. And guys, can you see this? Depth into there. Guys, can you see how realistic this looks? Doesn't this just look like I just parted my hair? Love it. I'm going to take my pony. I just brushed it out. Except this time I'm going to be doing myself a little messy bun. I'm going to press it down and I'm going to wrap it around. Literally, this is one of my favorite looks to do, guys.
Baby, come closer. Baby, come closer. All I ask is that
I really want to keep this on because I'm going out, but I can't because I want to try on the last one for you guys. So I have to take this apart, guys, even though I'm so obsessed with this one. So this right here is the Jordyn Woods by Easilocks U-Part wig. I can't wait to try this one. So this is in ebony also. And I'm just gonna pop this open for you guys. And here we go. And it also comes with a note. I'm gonna say I'm really impressed with Easilocks as a brand because they've really done their research, as you guys can see. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. Comes with all the combs you'd need. It's breathable, so you guys can see my finger go through it. You're not gonna get a headache when you wear this because it's really super breathable. And it has the lace here, which you can cut off, and it even has straps. Imagine getting a full wig for an affordable price. My hair is relaxed, so I know I can get away with doing it like this. You can corner your hair as well if you want. It's your choice, sis. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to leave out some hair in the middle. See, a little bit of hair out. I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out on the side also. And I'm going to cover the hair that I'm not using. I'm going to start from the front actually. Make sure you cut all the lace off, guys, because see I have some extra lace on it there. So you make sure you cut all your lace off so you don't have any extra lace just sticking out. I'm going to stick it down and clip. Stick it down and clip. Then I'm going to take it back and use the secure comb to secure it at the back. And then I'm going to flip her over. And guys, that literally took me 2 seconds. I'm going to start straightening out my hair. I just threw this on in 2 seconds. Like, look at it. Wow. Obsessed. Obsessed. I am obsessed. Can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me anything. I'll show you what it looks like tied up. So say I was going to work, I would wear it like this. kind of like this. So now you guys tell me which one was your favorite, because I'm obsessed with all of them. Like, this looks phenomenal. Guys, look to the side, she look good. To the other side, she look even better.
I'm looking forward to the brand new you, yeah, baby. All I ask is that you stay by my side. Baby, come closer. Baby, come closer. Baby, come closer.
She just gave me a look. I'm feeling like a bad bee. I can take over the world. I feel like I can snatch somebody's man with this look. Okay, so it's a look, it's a vibe. Guys, literally took me 2 seconds to put this on. Like, I'm loving it. Okay, so I want you guys to comment down below which one your favorite is. I want to know which one you guys were feeling the most. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, share with your friends, and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell.
Can you be my lover so bad and carry on my cover? Baby, I want solo. Baby, say
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be transforming this wig from 613 into this beautiful luscious ombre mint green, and I poured some of that in as well. Now I've got